In this section, you will learn the key concepts of object-oriented programming (OOP), including the fundamental principles that drive this programming paradigm. You'll explore essential topics like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, understanding how they help structure your code for better modularity, flexibility, and maintainability. Additionally, this section covers practical aspects of OOP, such as working with abstract classes, static classes, and interfaces, as well as how to use inheritance with both classes and interfaces, including struct-to-interface relationships. Finally, you'll discover how to call parent constructors and members, and learn when and why to use specific OOP concepts in your code.